Hello children, today in your conversation class we are going to read chapter 12, that is what do you do. So here some questions are given and also answers are given. So let's read this chapter. So it begins like, what do you do if you are hungry? So see, condition is given, no? If means what? If means any condition which is given, okay? So first question is, it is like, the condition is, if you are hungry, then what do you do? Answer is, if I am hungry, I eat food. Of course, when you are hungry, what do? You don't go and play, no? You feel like eating food. So when you are hungry, if I am hungry, I eat food. What do you do if you are tired? No, next condition is tired, okay? So in case you are tired, what do you like to do? If I am tired, I rest. When you are tired, you rest. No, don't go outside and play or do something which is you don't feel like doing when you are tired. So the best thing you can do when you are tired is to take rest. What will you do if you want to win the race? Now next condition is given like, if you want to win the race, in that case what would you do? Then if I want to win the race, I'll have to run fast. Of course, by running slow you can never win the race. If you want to really win the race, you have to put your best effort and you have to run very fast. What do you do if it rains? What will you do? I use an umbrella to go out if it rains. Some children like to get wet also, na? And they like to go play also if it rains. But what ideally you should do when you want to go out, you should use umbrella to go out. Okay, so answer will be, I use an umbrella to go out if it rains. What do you do if you are sick? So if you are sick, if you are ill, if you are not well, what should you do? If I am sick, I go to a doctor. What about you? So when you fall sick, you consult a doctor, right? So the answer is, if I am sick, I go to a doctor. Then this person is asking back, what about you? So what will you do when the other person falls sick? I usually take some medicines and rest. So this person, what does this A1 do? He doesn't go to doctor immediately. He will take some medicines and take rest. Okay, so different people have different vision. Okay, what do you do if you feel cold? Now B is asking, what do you do if you feel cold? A replies, if I feel cold, I put on woolen clothes. What about you? So when you feel cold, like winter is coming, you feel like wearing woolen clothes, right? When you feel cold, you put on woolen clothes. And then A is asking to B, what about you? What do you do when you feel cold? Well, I also do the same. Obviously, everyone wear woolen clothes, no, warm clothes when they feel cold to keep themselves warm. What will you do if you see a thief? Now, next question A is asking to B is, if there is a condition that there is a thief, and if you see a thief, what would you do in that case? Will you run away, or what would you do? If I see a thief, I'll call the police. So see, it's a brave act. No, it's not like just ignore the thief or something. No, you should inform the police. You should call the police when you see a thief. Next question is, what will the teacher do if the children make noise in the class? Like you all do now, most of the times when you are in school. Nowadays you are not in school, but when you are in school you make noise now. So what does the teacher do? If the children make noise in the class, the teacher will punish them. When you not listen to teacher in 1 time, 2 times, and what does the teacher do? The teacher has to punish the children in order to make them quiet. What would you do if your pencil breaks? Now, see the condition. The pencil breaks. If my pencil breaks, I would borrow one from my friend. Suppose if you have only one pencil and it breaks. And then how will you write? You can borrow it. Borrow means you can take it from your friend. What will mommy do if your clothes are dirty? If my clothes are dirty, mommy will wash them. Clothes are dirty, then mommy washes the clothes, no? What will happen unless you work hard? unless I work hard, I will not succeed. In order to get success, what should you do, children? You should work hard, like your exams are coming. So if you will work hard, then only you will get good marks. And unless you work hard, you will not get good marks. If you will not, unless means if you will not work hard, you will not get good marks. And not only in the exam, children, in every part of the life, you should work hard to achieve success. What will happen unless you get up early? Unless I get up early, I cannot reach school on time. So unless I get up early means what? If I do not get up early, okay, then what will happen? I will not be able to reach school on time. So in order to reach school on time, what should you do? You should get up early, and then only you can finish your daily course and you can reach school on time. Okay, children. So with this we finished the second term portion. I want you to just go through the chapters, and I will give you the question answers of all the chapters in my next video. Thank you.